Hi loves, it's Schalathia Nikole and I'm coming to give you guys this beautiful smoky eye dewy makeup look, perfect for summer. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I really appreciate you, and also select the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And all of my old subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like and comment this video, and also down in the comment section let me know what you think about this beautiful look. So if you're interested in knowing the steps on how to create this beautiful smoky eye, continue watching. Hi loves! So nice to be here again. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll be using the P.Louise base number 3 on my eyelids. And I'll be taking my Morphe M173 brush and tapping that in my eyelid to make sure all of the product is distributed evenly. I use the tapping motion, and this brush is just perfect for it. So after that, the first color I'll be going in with is Zama, and I'll be using a fluffy blending brush to blend it out evenly and concentrating on my crease. And yes, ladies, when in doubt, keep blending, keep adding on product and blending it out until you feel comfortable to move on to the next color, and that is Jamata. And I'll be basically going under that just to deepen that color a little bit in my crease to give it more depth. So now I'm using Yodit to go in and blend out the very top of that color, going towards my brow bone. So now using the black Badda base by P.Louise, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid, like so. And y'all, this product is very pigmented and it's also very tacky, and I feel like the reason why it is tacky is because you need the eyeshadow to stick to it that you're going to apply over it. So it's basically the perfect product for a smoky eye or just a base in general. I love it. So now I'm going to go in with Samata is a black eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm just going to apply that over that part where I put the base and kind of blend it up a little bit into my crease. And so I'm going to repeat the same step over on the other eye, and just try not to go like not even above my crease, but just like right there. And going in with Samata again, I'm just going to tap that pigmented eyeshadow onto your eyelid and then blend up into the crease. So everything's looking good from here on out. I'm going to go in and blend it out some more with the Samata, and just to give it a seamless look. So now at my waterline, I'll be applying a black NYX pencil eyeliner. And taking that base again and put it at my waterline. And I'm going to go in with Samata just to blend out the bottom so it's not so harsh, and so that everything blends together. Add a little pop to my inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use Killawatt, the Fenty highlighter in Hustler Baby. So as you can tell, I'm very happy and excited for this look. It's coming together. And I'm just going to clean up a little bit of any fallout that I have so I can apply my foundation. And with the Fenty Soft Matte Primer, I absolutely love this primer. And I'll also be going in with my Fenty Foundation in the color 410. It is like the perfect color for me. I love Fenty makeup, y'all. Like, I'm falling in love. I didn't think I would get this addicted yet, but I think I am. So the brushes that I use, guys, are from Jaclyn Hill X Morphe, and I've been using them for years now. They're perfect. And I'll be going in with the Fenty Trio Stick in the color Suede, I believe. And like I said again, I love Fenty. Like, it's like perfect creamy consistency, no ashiness, it's not too oily, it's like the perfect consistency, y'all. Like, you have to get some Fenty makeup, okay? And I'm just gonna blend it out with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. I love this new sponge. To me, it's better than the Beauty Blender because of the angle of the sponge. Like, it's perfect for the under eye concealer and just everything that has to do with you highlighting your face with concealer. I love it. And so now I'm going to go and highlight a little bit more using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel. And again, this is one of my faves too. And I'm going to go in a little bit more with the color Amande, just so that it's not too bright. And blend, blend, blend. And make sure your beauty sponge is damp. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, but at least damp enough to blend out your makeup. And so I'll be using the Fenty Trio Stick in the color Espresso for my contour. I absolutely love this stick. Like, it's the perfect color. So they have the 3 different sets that you could buy. I think it's light, medium, and dark, and I got the dark. So, and I'm just gonna blend, blend, blend to my liking, and that is coming out so good. It's like sculpting my face out. Like, I love it. And it's not waxy, y'all. It's not waxy like some foundation sticks. It's like perfect. So those that know me, I actually used to despise contouring my nose, but as of the past 6 months, I really have been concentrating on getting the perfect nose contour, because it definitely makes a huge difference on your makeup and gives your face more dimension. So yeah, I'm here for the nose contour, y'all. And so now I'm going in with the Fenty bronzer. I just received this in the mail in the color Mocha Mami. And look at that, y'all. I can't say anything else. Like, look at it. Perfect. I'm absolutely in love, y'all. So now I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock-It powder and set my makeup. And I'm also going to use my Lancome Dual Finish powder, and just to set everything else, this is my go-to powder. And now using the Nars blush in Taljmahal, I'm going to apply that to my cheeks, and it actually has like a glow to it, like highlighter pigments in it, and I'm like, wow, it's beautiful. So next, over that, I'll be using the Dolce Vita blush by Nars, and it's a rosy tone color. And for my highlighter, I'll be using Saint Bert's by Nars. It's a perfect highlighter for women of color of all skin tones, because it gives you this summertime glow As you can see, it looks so beautiful and sun-kissed, and it's not too overbearing. Like, I love it. Going in and setting my makeup with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So onto lips, I'll be using the NYX lip pencil in the color Wild Cherry. And when I apply my lip liner on the top, I do like to overline my lips because it makes them pop out more. That's just my personal preference. And the liquid lipstick I'll be using is by Forever Matte. It's a beauty supply brand. It's like $1.99 for lipstick, and that's in the color Honey Bunny. The lip gloss I'll be using over that is by Dollnpop in the color Nubian. So now onto lashes. I'll be using the Jordan Woods Allure London lashes in the Foamique Tropic Like It's Hot. So to finish it off, we're going to apply some of the MAC 3D Black is Black mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I certainly hope you love this tutorial. See you later, love.